Hi everyone, welcome back to the Controversial Podcast. In today's video, I'll be talking about Thuthukile Zuma, the daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma.
The province, the country, and the continent. And so if Joburg is not right, South Africa can't be right.
That's for sure.
The inequalities that we speak about, you see them sharply most in Joburg. When you drive on that Grayston Drive and on your left is Alexandra and on your right is the richest square mile. That is the physical manifestation of the spatial apartheid planning that continues to ensure inequality on racial lines. And so we have to get Joburg right. We don't have a choice. With all the problems, with all the challenges, we have to get Joburg right. Everywhere in South Africa, there are people who say, I mean, in the province where I'm from, there's a saying where they say, "Aye, we are yekoli wena," or "Aye, when are we yekoli," meaning success is in Joburg, a better life is in Joburg. And so we have to get Joburg right. We have a lot of people in Joburg, just in terms of the numbers. It's the biggest populated city, so we need to get Joburg right. And so a regional conference of the ANC of Johannesburg is extremely important because it then determines who is at the helm of leadership and who is leading this national democratic struggle in the city of Johannesburg, the most important city in this country and in this continent. So it's very important that we use this opportunity of a regional congress to elect not only the best among us, but those who we feel are right for the very difficult task ahead.
She was on the SMWX podcast, Sizwe Mpofu Walsh's podcast, and she was talking about the African National Congress. It is such a shame, to have a young lady defending the African National Congress. What have we done in this country to deserve people like her? Like, what have we done? I think she's delusional, hey? ANC is dead anyway. Why would you defend an organization that is very corrupt? She even called out Gwede Mantashe for telling the ANC cadres the truth. The only thing that they know better is to sing. When it comes to work or capacity, dololo, it's true. I don't know why you were defending Joburg councillors. Like, I really do not understand. Are you really living here in South Africa? Have you seen what is happening in South Africa lately? Have you watched the Madlanga Commission to see your cadres? What they've been doing. They've messed up this country. We need to call out people like her. In my view, that interview was just a disaster. How could you defend African National Congress? What do you mean when you say councillors are working very hard, especially in Johannesburg? Ekurhuleni have been fingered in the Madlanga Commission. You are losing votes in Johannesburg. I mean, it's not only in Johannesburg, everywhere in the country. People are fed up with the ANC. People are sick and tired of the African National Congress. Here you are defending nonsense. But one thing she was honest about was Umkhonto weSizwe Party. It's true, Umkhonto weSizwe Party is not organized. I don't care whether you are a member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, but you can see what is happening. I don't think Umkhonto weSizwe Party is organized. You were right about that. But to say ANC is working, I give up on you, Shem. 31 years later, you've got South Africans who are still poor. And here you are and telling us about the African National Congress, talking about a party that is dying. Just accept it and keep it moving. I think ANC is still in power because they have rigged the elections. Last year, people voted and they were not happy about Ramaphosa. They have rigged the 2024 elections and apparently they were in cahoots with the DA. I'm sorry, but we cannot keep on glorifying the African National Congress. They have brought nothing but poverty. We only know poverty because of the African National Congress. You'll hear old people saying apartheid was better because they were working, of which I don't think apartheid was better. It was worse. Quite frankly, it was worse. So many atrocities were committed during apartheid time and black people never had opportunities. It's really painful to think that we are now being hard done by our own people, our own black people, African National Congress. They don't want to take accountability. Where is accountability, Thuthukile? We've got an issue of illegal immigrants. Your people don't want to address that. Unemployment rate is very high, is skyrocketing, but you are still blaming the DA. You all are Dilulu in the African National Congress because what is this? Even your own president, Cyril Ramaphosa, would sometimes blame apartheid. 31 years later, you're still blaming apartheid. The only thing that the ANC has succeeded in doing is to enrich themselves. Even now, they are just busy looting because they know come 2029, they won't be here. People will no longer vote for African National Congress. I'm telling you, no one is going to vote for that party, especially now that we have Madlanga Commission. Madlanga Commission is going to cripple the African National Congress further. I mean, what more do you want? You want people to vote for you. Why should we vote for African National Congress? Why should we vote for arrogant people? People who only know how to loot. The KZN Provincial Commissioner told us that the ANC is working with criminals. You've got parliamentarians who are working with criminal cartels. And it's not only ANC. It's the DA, it's People's Colored Congress Party, that man, Vediel Adams, the founder of People's Colored Congress, something like that. You know that man that likes dividing black people. He's black, but he doesn't consider himself as a black person. He's complaining about Xhosa people being in Western Cape. He doesn't want them there. After Mkwanazi exposed that guy, he said, no, that sensitive information was slipped under my door. What was I supposed to do? What do you mean? What do you mean, Vediel Adams? So ANC should just die. We should just ban the ANC. Ban the triple BE nonsense. It's not working for poor South Africans. That system is only for ANC people to enrich themselves because they are not interested in building anything. They are not. They just want to loot. So yeah, people should just stop voting for African National Congress. Stop being emotional when you are voting. Just stop being emotional. ANC has not liberated black people, yet they lied to people in 1994. They talked about black empowerment, but what have they done really? Nothing. We still have corruption. So we cannot be told by Tutukile Zuma that we should vote for African National Congress. Please wake up. Vote for parties who are there for South Africans. I don't have to tell you which parties, but vote wisely. We don't need African National Congress. So yeah, let me know on the comment section and what do you think about that interview. Please like, please comment, please share this video. And yeah, let's discuss on the comment section. Let's build a community that is respectful. See you on the next episode. Bye.